Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PN Expert. In this video, we will learn the rule of 7 in control charts and why it helps us spot a process that is out of statistical control. A control chart has a center line, called the mean, plus an upper and lower control limit. Even if every point is inside the limits, the pattern can still be suspicious. Let's go to control chart first. The rule of 7 says that if 7 points behave in a non-random pattern, we should investigate. The first pattern is 7 points in a row on the same side of the mean, which suggests a shift. Even though all these points are between the upper and lower control limits, the mean has effectively shifted upward. The second pattern is a trend. If 7 points are constantly increasing or constantly decreasing, that suggests a gradual drift. Why 7? If a process is stable and random, each point is equally likely to be above or below the mean. The probability of 7 in a row on one side is 1 over 2 to the power of 7, which equals 1 over 128. That is less than 1%, so it is very unlikely to happen by luck. When the rule of 7 is triggered, you should stop and analyze, find the root cause, and correct the process. This keeps the process centered and stable. That is the rule of 7 in control charts. It helps us detect hidden shifts and trends before they become big problems.